Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Craft on Windows. So to start, go to docs.craft.do, and once you're inside, go to the bottom in the bottom left corner and click on the computer icon right here that says download app. Click on that and you'll be redirected to this page. So this is where you can download for Windows. You can also download it for Mac or install it using Play Store or on App Store using mobile devices. So to download it for Windows, click on download for Windows right here. And as you can see, it's now installing, so just wait for it to finish. Now, once it's done, click on Open File, and now it's installing to your computer, and it's now downloaded to your device. Now, to use Craft, you need to sign in first or sign up if you don't have an account yet. So you can sign in with your Gmail account, Apple account, or Microsoft account. So I'm going to click on Continue with Google, choose your account, click on Open, and now you can start crafting. And that's basically it. That's how you can download Craft on your device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.